Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails, where I'm going to show you how to make easy, fun nails for everyone. Okay, so today we're going to do a beautiful gold and maroon goddess gel nail set. Here I'm using Light Elegance buttercream. This is basically like a very thick gel consistency, and it can be put over acrylic nails, over hard gel nails, and over natural nails if they have a base layer on the bottom. They really apply beautifully like butter. And here you can see I am applying a beautiful buttercream. This is a gold shade here. I'm going to link the names of everything down below. And you can see how it applies so beautifully over the nail. It's really effortless and easy and pretty opaque in about 2 coats. You can see here how it works almost like melted butter. It just drags beautifully down the nail. And I'm using a gel brush. This is a square gel brush in a number 6. And I got this brush off of Amazon. Especially if you're a beginner, these buttercreams from Light Elegance are super easy to work with, and they give you a beautiful end result. And you just need a little bit. Remember, you don't want to apply too much. You take really little bit, goes a long way. You can see how little I took on that nail, and it just spreads out a lot. You can see how opaque that is in just 1 coat. Okay, and here I'm going in with a top coat. I added some sparkles on the first finger and the pinky and kind of ombreed that out towards the tip. And here I'm showing you how I apply clear coat over any nail that has sparkles on it. Basically, I take a big blob of gel polish and I put it in the middle of the nail, and then I kind of do like a really light coat over the whole nail. This basically fills in all the cracks that chunky glitters can have. So you do a really thin layer of gel all over the nail, and then you come in with your second layer of top gel after the first one's been cured. And this one I use more of a thick floating layer, and this ensures that the nail is smooth and you don't have any rough surfaces from that thick chunky sparkle that you put on. You can hear here I'm doing that thin layer on top, and then I'm going to go in with the thicker floating layer on top of the nail after I cure it. Alright, here I'm applying these beautiful nail shaped stone crystals that I got from Amazon, and these are a beautiful bronze color stone. And I am applying these over wet top gel. Again, I think this is a perfect way to apply stones. They pretty much last a long time, and it gives you the ability to work with your crystal placement and take your time, because unlike glue or resin, it doesn't dry until you cure it. So you can really take your time with your placement and get creative. These teardrop stones I also got from Amazon. And here I'm applying some more crystals to the nails. And these tweezers I also got from Amazon. They're super easy and helpful, especially when picking up those bigger stones. can see how beautiful that crystal arrangement is on the nail. Again, just making those final touches before I cure it in the lamp. And here I'm seeing what bling piece I would like on the ring finger. So I decided I'm going to go with this beautiful heart bow nail charm. And you can apply this by using some hard gel, putting it on top of the nail, putting the little nail art on top, and curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds. I got this nail charm in a pack of nail charms from Amazon, and I will be sure to link that down below. And here is our final result, a super easy gel nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!